Long travel dolai Tripura mono ar diplog ni bisi khobjak 48 karamcherra ni Tipra Motha ni luat jubong bai mono block deportation relay kai purei sanmong ni sanlai tini mono hati thortor kulei sarwoi Tipra Motha ni chaitok mong bai o rally khaijaka haikaba deportation rijaka deportation ri mathai phai manjak paika 48 karamcherra ni MLA Poldangsu Chatnung Demsora Kochusora MDC Direndra Debarma Dolai District Tipra Motha ni President Rotis Tripura 48 karamcherra Block President Obijit Tripura no khoboi juda juda adong
Eventually, the fund which we demanded, the demanded fund should be allocated within time frame. The fund should be allocated smoothly to ADC government for development of TT-ADC areas. And the third is Kokborok. The Kokborok Roman script, inclusion of Kokborok. The Roman script, it is a demand for more than 50 years. So they have not accepted that. BJP are saying they are doing for Tiprasa. If they are doing for Tiprasa, then why not Roman script? Kokborok should be included in Roman script. And the other point is, if BJP or any other leader who are saying so-called Tiprasa leader, they are really incompetent. Why I will say they are incompetent? Because if they are so much in favor of Tiprasa or talking for Tiprasa, then they should have come out of their closet and they should have talked about Tiprasa, about the Roman script, about TT-ADC election, but they are doing nothing. That's why I would like to tell them, I would like to give them a message. The air you are breathing today will be a poison for your future generation. So speak for your rights, speak for your Tiprasa, be a Tiprasa. Thank you.